Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fill in Krita. There are multiple ways to fill in Krita, using the fill tool or via the keyboard fill shortcut. To do it with the fill tool, select it from the toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket. Once active, check the tool options docker. Here you can adjust settings like threshold and anti-aliasing. Choose your foreground color using the color selector. Then click inside the area you want to fill. Krita fills connected pixels of similar color with your chosen color. You can also fill entire layers this way. To limit the fill to just the current selection, make a selection first, then run the fill tool. Only pixels inside your selection will get filled. Another way is using the keyboard fill shortcut. With a selection active, you can press Shift plus Backspace on Windows or Linux, or Shift plus Delete on Mac to instantly fill the selected area with your current foreground color. No tool change needed. For very clean fills with no gaps, make sure the area you're filling is fully enclosed. Any tiny open pixel paths will leak color outside your intended region. And that's how you fill in Krita. Thanks for watching.